to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this look that I am wearing right now. I got so many compliments on it that I wanted to share it with you guys and show you guys how I got this look, and hopefully you guys get as many compliments as I did on this look. Also, I want to share something with you guys about really what I don't remember. I kind of mentioned why I haven't been uploading a little bit. I don't know if it was on the one video that I had to end up privating or what. But if you guys follow me on social media, you really should. It's all be linked down below. And you can be updated on my personal life and everything when I'm uploading. If I don't upload on Wednesdays, there's always certain reasons why I don't upload. Like the past 2 weeks have been very, very rough for me. 2 weeks ago, I was in the hospital twice, and one of the times I was rushed into the ER, and a lot's been going on, so I've kind of talked about that. And then last week I actually filmed a video and I accidentally deleted it, and it was like nighttime and I had to work for the rest of the week, so I really couldn't upload again. So there's always reasons why. I'm definitely trying to get back on track, film a lot, so I always have videos ready for y'all, and so I'm not missing any videos. And I just want to focus my life more on YouTube and what I want to do and sharing makeup with everybody and my career. So hopefully everything can go back on track. We're finding out reasons why I've been sick, and hopefully everything's gonna start smooth sailing from there. Definitely help talking to a YouTuber that has like 2 million views. 2 million subscribers. She's really helped me a lot in figuring things out. So she's never gonna see this, but thanks to you, you know who you are. And yeah, and let's just get on with this video and show you guys how to recreate this look. So the palette I'm going to be using for today's look is the Magic by Juevas, and just looks like this, and then on the inside it looks like this. So the colors I'm going to be using is this orangey pinky color, and this is Kogi. And then I'm also be using this color right here, and this is Zakia. Sorry, I'm like bad at doing names. Then I am also going to be using Nana right here. And then I'm also going to be using Osun right here, and this is a pink. And then also to clean up my looks, I'll be using this color right here, and this is Keski. Okay, to start off the look, I'm using the C441 Pro Blending Brush. Looks like this, and it's from Crown Brushes. And you see I've already used it. And then I'm going in with Kogi. Okay, so now that both eyes are completed for the pink, so I am now going to be doing the outer corner right here, and I'm using this ColourPop small fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using the Zakia color that I showed you, so it's like brown, reddish, orangish color, and I'm just putting this in my outer corner. Next, I'm going to go under my eyes and use the shadow smudger, and this is by Beauty Strokes, and going in with the same color and just putting it under my eye. Make sure you do connect with this outer color right here, and I'm lightly handing it. So now I'm going to be using this IT Cosmetics Airbrush shadow brush, and it's just like a fluffy flat brush, and I'm just going to be blending it out with this. I didn't put any product on it. And then for the inner corners, I'm using this Morphe flat brush, and it just looks like this, and I'm going in with Osun and packing it on into the middle of into the inner corner of my eye. not putting a lot on, I'm just getting it on so I have a base. And then I'm going in with my finger and just hacking it on. And then back with that brush. And then to blend these two colors in, I'm using this Beauty Strokes Crease Definer brush, going with Nana, blending it out in the middle. And then now I'm going in with this Beauty Strokes Highlight Blender brush, and it looks like this. And I'm going in with Kessie, and just fixing anything I need to fix. It's kind of your personal desire. So I like to clean up my brow bone area. And then to darken up my look, I'm going to use this IFE color, and it's like a dark blue. And then going in with the same ColourPop brush and just put it on my outer corner. And I'm lightly going to do this. I'm not going to do much. It's just enough to darken up my look. And that is the completed look. I'm going to go in and do my mascara and eyeliner, and then I'll be right back.
Every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye.
Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and really want to try this look out. I've been getting so many compliments on it. I just wanted to share it with y'all. So definitely, if you guys try this look out, let me know and tag me in Instagram, Twitter, anything you guys have. Show me the looks that you guys recreate of this. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to know, if you guys want more of me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below any other looks you would like me to do. And anything you like to see from me. And also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page, they will all be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?